Yeah. Action.
Do you feel it? Brother? Do you see it? Father? The cosmos. It is open.
It beckons.
It calls.
I do hear it.
The eternal cosmic is calling the master. Who is your master?
He comes.
He cannot come to you.
He comes now.
He can't come to you.
Well, we must accept him.
Have you done your penance?
No.
Do your penance quickly before he comes to you. Do you feel it? As he draws nearer? Do you feel it?
I do.
Can you feel it?
From my insides.